How to add background music to our Wix website. So right here, I'm inside your Wix website editor. I'm just going to use the search tool, and right here, after I've clicked on the magnifying glass, I will search for music. Now there's a bunch of different options of how you can actually import music. So if I click on Wix Music here, you will see single video players or audio players right here under music. So we can just drag and drop this audio player here, and we can click on it to change the track, and we can either upload a track ourselves, or we can do external MP3 and add a URL this way. Now that was one way of how we can add music. Another way is, again, I'm going to go to Wix Music, and we can do SoundCloud player, we can do a Spotify player here, or we can do an iTunes button. So depending on which one you want to use, we can do all of these. So audio players, we can do Wix Music, or we can do SoundCloud, Spotify, iTunes. So depending on which one you want to use, or which one has your music, then you would simply add it from here, and you can set it up very easily. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.